The National Weather Service in Lubbock, Texas has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Lubbock County in northwestern Texas, northeastern Hockley County in northwestern Texas, Hale County in northwestern Texas, southeastern Castro County in the Panhandle of Texas, southern Swisher County in the Panhandle of Texas, eastern Lamb County in northwestern Texas, until 10 p.m. At 9:02 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles southwest of Hart to 4 miles west of Enton, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. These are very dangerous storms. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts and ping-pong ball-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Plainview, Tulia, Abernathy, Hale Center, Olton, Hart, Petersburg, Anton, Cress, Cotton Center, Spade, Halfway, Sethward, and Edmondson. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.